Good afternoon, this is Derek Thompson, Alkali Solutions, demonstrating Limesol, 45% solids, lime suspension from Alkali Solutions. What I'm demonstrating here today is the viscosity, or the low viscosity or lack of the product, which makes it easy to pump, easy to keep in suspension, and overall just a joy to use. So I'm just going to pour it into this beaker. See the consistency of the product. It's very much like a single cream. You can see this is easily pumped by a diaphragm dosing pump, a monotype pump, or a peristaltic dosing pump. It's very accurate and, as I say, has a strength of 45%. It's Limesol from Alkali Solutions.